Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons here are from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit, and now we can find the volume button function. So when we tap here, we have to decide to use this as shutter, which is now zoom or focus. So let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.